Parents teach, kids learn. Think of us for play-based teaching. Why does the moon change shape? Hey there, little explorer. Have you ever wondered why the moon changes shape? One night, it's round like a big cookie, and another night, it looks like a tiny banana. The moon doesn't really change shape, it just looks different because of the sunlight. The sun shines on the moon, and we see different parts from Earth. It's like shining a flashlight on a ball, some parts are bright, and some are dark. When the moon is big and round, it's a full moon. When it looks like a smile, it's a crescent moon. And when it's almost gone, it's a new moon, like it's playing hide and seek. The moon changes shape over many days, then starts all over again. Next time you see the moon, guess what shape it will be tomorrow? Why do airplanes leave white trails in the sky? Have you ever seen white trails behind airplanes? They look like long, fluffy lines in the sky. Those trails are called contrails. They form when airplane engines release hot air into the cold sky. It's just like when you breathe out on a chilly day and see a misty cloud. The hot air meets the cold air, and tiny water droplets turn into ice. That's what makes the long, white streaks. Some contrails disappear quickly, and others stay longer. Next time you see one, can you guess if it will fade fast or last a long time? Keep looking up and keep wondering, little scientist. What makes thunder so loud? Have you ever heard thunder go boom? It's super loud. But why? Let's find out. Thunder happens when lightning makes the air super hot, hotter than a big fire. The air expands really fast, like a balloon popping. Pop! That big burst of air makes a loud sound. That's thunder. Can you clap your hands fast? That's like thunder, but the sky is way bigger. Sometimes, thunder rumbles because the sound bounces around in the sky, just like an echo in a cave. Next time you hear thunder, count how many seconds after lightning before the boom. The more seconds, the farther away the storm is. Stay safe and curious. Why do clouds float instead of falling? Clouds are fluffy and white. They float in the sky. Clouds are made of tiny water drops. These drops are super small and light. Think of lots of tiny balloons floating. Clouds are similar. Warm air goes up, up, up. It carries the water drops. The air cools up high. The water drops get closer. They join together and form a cloud. The air keeps pushing the cloud upward. It's like a soft push. So, clouds float because they are light. The air also pushes them up. Go outside and look at the clouds. What shapes do you see? Have fun watching the clouds. Why is the sky sometimes gray? Have you ever looked up and seen a big, gray sky? Where did the blue go? The sky turns gray when lots of clouds come together, like a big fluffy blanket covering the sun. These clouds have tiny water drops inside, making the sky look darker. Have you ever held a wet sponge? It feels heavy, just like clouds full of water. And when the clouds get too full, they start to cry, drip, drop. That's rain. When the rain stops, the clouds move away, and the blue sky comes back. Next time you see a gray sky, guess if it will rain. Don't go anywhere, the next part is coming soon.